So my experiences with wheelie bins are that during the Storm Kira or Storm Dennis, the lids of the bins fly off and my recycling, my paper and plastic goes all over the road, embarrassing me in front of the neighbours.
The top arm of the latch keeps the bin lid closed when the bin is standing upright and when it gets knocked over onto the floor. The gravity-assisted helical design allows the latch to lift up and swing out of the way when lifted by a user, and when tilted upside down by the bin man, the latch will automatically open due to the added weights at the end of the arms. Keeps your bin lid shut when knocked over and during high winds. No added trouble for the bin men, because the bin men only get 14 seconds to take a bin, empty it, and return it. We spoke to the Edgbaston MP, and here is what she has to say.
You have the little one, the little bin in your house, and then you have the one outside, but again, actually that's the one that you definitely need a little lock on it, because the food being tipped over, I mean, that would just cause a lot of public health concerns around.
Stick it, spin it, click it, bop it. The material cost for our prototype is 22p. This is for both side latches. You will be able to customize the color of your bin latches for an additional cost, helping you identify your bin after collection day. Keeping your rubbish in your bin leads to cleaner streets, saving the council money. With the 10K, we intend to launch a pilot scheme giving away 100 bin latches in return for user feedback. 5 3D printers will be purchased to manufacture the initial batch of latches. We will then use this feedback to refine our design to better meet the user's need and launch Phase 2. In Phase 2, we will soft launch our product, selling it at a discount price. Phase 3 is our mass production phase. We will change the manufacturing process to injection molding. During this stage, we will make our bin latch available globally. Our design will be modified to suit different markets globally.
Household wheelie bins have not changed since the 1960s, but what do you know Greece society has? Moving forward, we would like to focus on pest deterrence, compression features, and a new bin design when food recycling becomes more widely adopted. Thank you.